I am disheveled because it is currently 11 o'clock at night. My wife has just tagged in to help my toddler go to sleep, and this has been on my porch since earlier today. This is from Japan. Inside is a camera that I'm trying to keep hidden from my wife because it's her birthday present, and all this subterfuge is probably completely a waste of time. Let's get this inside. So here's the whole kit she's getting. This is an OM-3 f1.8 and the new Viltrox Flash vintage, which was surprisingly inexpensive and I thought would go with the OM-3 very nicely. She's not getting this, mostly because for my safety, this is just for opening the box. Normally, I would wait and she could do this, but I actually got this overseas from Japan, like I was saying, and I don't trust shipping even a little bit. So I would feel more comfortable opening it now and just making sure that there's no visible damage to it. By getting it overseas from Japan, I actually saved about $200. The real trick, though, will be making sure that she doesn't get her hands on it.
Yeah, he knows better. I don't wait. Well, this is wrapped nice. Now that. Warranty card. Paperwork. He can do. Make sure not to throw this like I did my phone. Wow, this is so light and little, and the retro look is amazing.
It's going back in the box.
No, it's not.
Your birthday.
Nope. You don't remember that I got my wedding ring early? Clearly. All right. We got our accessories. Warranty card. I don't know what that is. You can figure that out later. Oh, you were right. This is going to look pretty awesome. That looks cool. It looks like it was made for it. And we got our lens here. I will allow you to use it.
Thanks.
You're welcome. Yeah, we're going to have to put it together. I don't think I'm going to get the hand grip. This is just really awesome.
Try some of the knobs. How do they feel?
It's nice. A lot different. Oh, not nails friendly, but that's okay. I can work around that. Perfect place for your thumb. Fits my hands perfect. I love it. I'll keep it.
Do you want me to put it together for you?
Yes. That's a given. Thank you, thank you.
Well, I failed, but I'm not too unhappy about it. It is a good thing she get used to this before we go to Iceland. This is going to be my second camera body, and obviously this is going to be her main camera body. She was right. This is really, really light, and yet it's metal. This feels amazing, and even with my oversized hands, it feels comfortable. I'm literally able to hold it with 3 fingers here. Its thumb grip is well placed. I don't think even I need an extra grip. All the dials feel tight. Satisfying sound to them. Screen. Let's see the battery compartment here. It must be, yep. Not sure I like that. That seems really maybe flimsy. It's that little latch holds the battery in. I guess time will tell. And then the door locks. I'm jealous. We'll see how often I can steal this from her. And I already got permission to use this lens, which is a pretty famous portrait lens. This is the 45, like I said earlier. She mostly enjoys taking portraits of my son, which I understand because he's our son and he's the best model in the world. Though I'm not sure he'll appreciate his father having said that when he's older. But he sees a camera in your hand and he says, "Say cheese," and he grins from ear to ear. This is incredibly small. And I got the silver version to match the camera because the number one reason she wanted this camera was, quote, "it's pretty." We'll see if we can't just snap this on here real quick. Sensor is clean. See if the battery has a charge. Nope, not that lucky. So we'll have to charge this before we go in setting it up. That looks pretty nice. See if we can't get the hot shoe off. That is a pretty nice setup. So moving forward, you'll probably see a video of me testing this out if she lets me. Thanks for watching. Have a good one, guys. Bye.